So when I graduated from high school, I was like 18. I was looking for a project car to fix up because I had the Eclipse and it was a dump. And I don't want to fix that. I wanted to fix something else. So I was looking at I was looking for Evas, but they're stupid expensive. And I look at Subarus and the price is a little bit better. And I found this one for a really good price in Boise. And so I talked to the guy he was a student at BSU who got hit really bad. He was missing a bunch of parts, like the door, the trunk, a fender, the coilovers. I worked on a farm and the restaurant. My family has a restaurant, and I've been working there since I was like 12 or something like that. First things I bought were the coilovers, brand new. I had to put those in by myself. After that, I bought a fender, a new glass for the door, a trunk, and I put some aftermarket parts like a hood scoop, headlights, a blip for the bumper, some side skirt extensions. And yeah, I took it to a body shop that did it for a good price too, and took out all the dents and painted the whole body. For the whole car is $5,000. I put harnesses, racing harnesses on it. There was one time when it broke down on me because it needed a new clutch. So I bought a clutch for $500, the stage 3 clutch. The wheels were $1,000, and the tires were also $1,000. So yeah, and that's kind of what I'm schooling now for, so I can learn how to paint cars and do it myself. So yeah, I've always been into cars since a little kid.